Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chan of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of sneakers from New Balance. First of all, thank you New Balance for sending me this really cool pair of sneakers. Look at this box. It's like a work of art. I was so surprised when I first opened it. Well, let's get right into it. This is the New Balance 997S, and this is a new version of one of their classic sneaker models. This is the New Balance 997S. The S stands for Sport, and the classic upper is based on the original shoes that came out back in 1991. So of course you're getting this retro sneaker vibe with this pair right away. I really love the colors that they chose with this. You really don't see this color that often on sneakers, so that makes this a really cool summer sneaker going into the fall. The colors really reminds me of like the retro Miami Vice colors, so it's really nice to see this on a pair of sneaker. I really like how they toned down the sneaker overall with a monochromatic look. So you got gray, white, dark gray, and black. And then just having these colors really makes the style and the colors pop. These sneakers are very light and I got to wear them over the weekend. They were really comfortable. I like that it's light, but also there's a lot of structure, good cushioning. And it is a nice color, nice sneaker to have in your sneaker rotation, especially if you're a big New Balance fan. I normally wear 10.5, 11, depending on the sneaker. New Balance sent me these in a size 11, and I'll have to say I would size down to half size. I think 10.5 would fit perfectly. These are actually really nice and flexible. These actually have a lot of room, so normally my feet are a little bit wider. Narrow sneakers, I have to size up. I think this one, 10.5, will actually fit really well. Overall, if you're really into a retro vibe sneaker, definitely check out these New Balance. I love the colors they've done with this. This mix of retro on the top and new technology on the bottom. So definitely a really nice pair of doable sneakers that you can wear all day.